I wake up. I turn off my alarm. I get up. I make my bed, then take a shower. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. Or I have breakfast. I go to work. I reach the office at 9 a.m. I do my office work. I attend the meeting. I eat lunch. Or I have lunch. I work on my computer. I finish my work at 5 p.m. I go home. I arrive home. I feed the dog. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Or I have dinner with my family. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed and fall asleep.